Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear student, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, you know, this is the very panic time for us, as the whole world is infected in a virus called Corona or COVID-19. Now, all the schools in Bangladesh are closed in order to avoid transmission from this deadly virus. That is why our government has taken a decision to continue your classes through online school. The authority of Ramkrishnapur High School has also arranged online school. I am Shamsuddin Ahmed, English teacher of Ramkrishnapur High School. I welcome you all on behalf of the authority of Ramkrishnapur High School, Birampur, Dinaspur. Dear student, today I am going to teach you a lesson from class 9-10, English for today. English for today, English first paper. Dear student, take your book out of the bag. I hope you will enjoy my class with full attention. So dear student, open your book, page 31, unit 3, lesson 2. So dear student, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture in section A. What is the picture? The picture is the monogram of May Day. Okay, dear student, you are right. So dear student, today's our lesson title is May Day. May Day. Dear student, write it in your exercise book. Learning outcomes. Dear student, ending the lesson, you will learn about the history of May Day. Vocabulary, asking and answering question, the condition of workers and factory owners. So dear student, let us go to start the text. I will read it and you will hear very carefully. May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. it is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution, in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US. The workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st, in 1886, inspired by the trade unions to half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding an 8-hour workday. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They asked the workers to stand together to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. Please turn over. The event of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Dear student, the passage is over. Here a box is written notes. First, Industrial Revolution means the period, especially in the 18th and 19th century Europe, when machines were invented and first factories were established. The second one is trade union. Trade union means an organization that represent workers of mills and factories. So dear student, now I would like to discuss some difficult words from the text and write them in your exercise book. International, adjective. Bengali meaning আন্তর্জাতিক, English meaning or synonym global. Observe, উদযাপন করা, Bengali meaning ভাগ, English meaning celebrate. Holiday, noun, synonym vacation or off day. Bengali meanings ছুটি, almost, adverb. Bengali meanings প্রায়, English meaning about or around. Gain, verb, synonym are get or acid. Bengali meaning অর্জন করা. Injure, verb, English meaning hurt, own. Go in, press, synonym surrender. Bengali meaning নথি স্বীকার করা. Go on with, it is also phrase, synonym continue or carry on, Bengali meaning চালিয়ে যাওয়া. So dear student, the word meaning is over. Now dear student, I will you ask some question from the text and you will try to answer them. What is May Day? Answer. May Day is an international workers day. Okay dear student, you are absolutely right. The second one is how many workers joined the rally? Answer. About 6,000 workers joined the rally. Okay dear student. Number C, who addressed the rally? Answer. The labor leaders addressed the rally. Okay dear student, you are absolutely right. The last number is why did the police open fire at the crowd? The police opened fire at the crowd to stop their movement. So dear student, here the question and asking and answering question is over. Now I will give you a homework. Write a paragraph on May Day. Dear student, it is very important paragraph for SSC exam. You will prepare it at your home and submit it in your class teacher when your school is reopened. Before finishing my class, I will give you some tips. The first one is instruction. Follow the instruction given by the government. The second one is stay home, stay safe. The third one is wash your hand again and again. Then don't go out without wearing mask. This is so dear student, you must follow them and may Allah keep safe and sound. This is all for today. Thank you very much.